Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I want to go over one of the best setups for self-filming your hunts. This setup does cost a little bit of money, but it is well worth it. To start, we have the GoPro Hero 9 with the front-facing screen, and I can't tell you how beneficial it has been to have the screen out in the field. The 8, the 6, the 5, the 7, they've all been excellent without the screen, but this does make it easier. Now, this is the media mod case, and it is an accessory that you will have to buy, unfortunately, to get the 3.5mm jack, but trust me, you're going to want that. One of the biggest problems with GoPros is the audio, and this takes care of it. This is the Rode Wireless Mic Go, and the system's fantastic. For a little while, I was running this entire system using a lapel mic and then having this on my belt clip. However, honestly, you have this little wind deflector on here. You can put this and just hook it straight to your jacket, put it on your person, and you get excellent audio the entire time, as you'll see in this video. I got a few things done around the house. I want to run down the swamp, go check a game camera before I go out this afternoon for hunting. Got what I needed. Time to head back to the house.
After 2 weeks of seeing raccoons and turkeys, it's nice to finally see some deer out during the daytime. There's 6 does right now. There's a few at the feeder. There's quite a few in the field. So I'm just enjoying watching them. Hopefully as it continues to get a little bit darker, we may get a buck or two in here. And as it continues to cool down over the next 2 or 3 days, they'll become a little bit more active and we even have more deer coming in and back through this area.
The past few days haven't been great. It's been very warm, lots of rain. However, tonight it's supposed to cool off from 70 down to the 30s. And GoPro has this new beta testing where it has a auto detection where the camera turns on when it has motion. So I wanted to put this out here close to the corn feeder. I want to see if I can actually get some deer in 4K feeding on this thing. I think that'd be really cool.
Once again, not a whole lot of luck this afternoon. I've only seen that one doe come back here, but where I put the GoPro out, there's still a little bit of corn left. They've been coming back in there. I have just enough service to connect to a cellular camera I have in that area, and we just happen to have some does, things like that, coming through. So maybe that'll provide some pretty nice shots on that GoPro at least, but just still too hot. It needs to cool down a lot.
Unfortunately, the GoPro I had sitting on that feeder yesterday didn't take any footage. There was a malfunction, so I got to figure that out a little bit later. But it's about 6 a.m. The temperature's dropped about 30 degrees overnight, so maybe that'll have them up and a little bit more active. So I want to go out, do an early morning sit, and a spot I usually don't sit out, and hopefully see if I can find anything.
These certainly aren't the best conditions. Lots of wind this morning. I'm hoping maybe it'll die down the next 30 minutes or so, but honestly, who knows? So I'll probably sit here for about 2 hours, and if I don't see anything, probably just go ahead, head back to the house and get some more stuff done up there. Just had 2 does walk in. One of them looks like a pretty good size, and if she is, I'm gonna go ahead and take her. I didn't have a great opportunity to take a shot. There's no use in wounding an animal. If you can't make a good shot, don't take it. So I'm gonna let them walk. I hope they follow this ravine back down towards this creek and down this road. And they'll have to come back down this road where I can get a much better shot.
While I didn't get a shot, it was really nice to see those 2 does. Those are the first deer I've seen down here this entire season. So really glad and happy about that. Maybe I'll get a shot on them next time. I sat there for about another hour, didn't see anything else. That's just how it goes sometimes. So got the cameras out of there. I'm gonna go check those out, head back to the house, get a few things done, and then go hunting again this afternoon.
Well, a nap that was supposed to only last an hour lasted about 5 yesterday, so I completely missed going out yesterday afternoon. But I'm here in one of my favorite stands, one of my favorite spots. These acorns ought to do well and should draw some deer in, I'm hoping. There's a small 3-point that just walked into this area.
Absolutely incredible morning today. I saw 3 bucks, 2 spikes, one was either 3-pointer spike as well, and about 9 does. Now, I only had a shot on a few deers and a few opportunities. The spikes, they came in within about 10 yards, and I had an opportunity on both of them, but I'm not going to kill bucks that young. And then I had an opportunity on 2 does, but it was a larger doe traveling with a yearling, so didn't really want to take that shot either. I'll wait until I find a mature doe that's traveling alone or in a group of mature does as well. So you just got to pick your opportunities, but incredible. I definitely will be back at that stand very soon. Snowstorm Gale is up north right now, but down here we are expecting maybe an hour, 2 hours of rain. It's been over 12 hours now and it's still raining, so the rivers are all going to spike up. We're probably going to get a lot of flooding in the next 72 hours if I had to guess. And unfortunately, that's going to kind of bring an end to this video. I got to go home, get a few things done, and get something to show y'all in the next video that I think you're going to really enjoy. Regardless, I hope you learned a little bit about the Hero 9. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to share, like, subscribe for more, and thanks for watching.